help us welcome the brain behind the Bahati's empire, and that is none other than my king, my anchor, my pillar, Kevin Kioko Bahati.
We ameongea kizungu yote. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, aka and mmesema all protocol. Hapo ndio kizungu yangu inaishia. Mimi sijaweza kuandika speech because when I got the email that the show is premiering on Friday, and we had worked on this for so long. By the way, Jalango, that is the reason sijatoa ngoma for the last 8 months, because we wanted to go back on TV and we wanted to go back in a big way. So we had just finished our post-production like 14 days ago. We were waiting for kidogo tukambua we are on Netflix, and everything stopped because I could not wait to show the world what we have made for you. And guys, najua nachochanga vitu mingi. Nimekubali mimi ni mtu wa kuchocha. Nimekubali mimi ni mtu wa kiki. Hiyo yote nimekubali. But I can assure you that we have done our best to make sure that we have raised the Kenyan flag high. So be assured that you'll be entertained, be inspired, and this is the best. Let me repeat it again. This is the best Kenyan reality show at the moment. You know, there are so many people that I respect in this room. And one of the people when you wamenisaidia sana through this journey, Nick Mtuma, you know. Your show is one of my favorites. Lakini, you know, when we were talking, I told you, I'm creating this to show the world what Kenya can give. Because I know Kenyans are talented. Kenyans are the best content creators in Africa. Hiyo tuwezi bishana. Si ni kweli? Hiyo tuwezi bishana. Your Excellency, my name is Kevin Bahati. Nimetoka mtaa inaitwa Mathare. Nilijaribu kusimama. Sitaki kuongea hiyo mambo. Unajua nilikuwa na wewe hapo mbeleni. Wacha niseme shetani alinidanganya nikaenda ile pande ingine. Nilikuwa nalia kwa news kila siku. And Your Excellency, I am a go-getter. I grew up in Mathare, Ngei Ward, next to Huruma. And I lost my mom when I was 7 years old. And Your Excellency, after losing my mom, my dad married again and he moved out of the city. And that's how I ended up at ABC Kenya Children's Home. Nikasoma pale. Your Excellency, utaniruhusu naingiza Kiswahili kidogo sababu mimi Kizungu yote bibi ndio anakuanga amebeba. Nikasoma pale, and when I was in class 8, I got a call, still at the children's home, and for all these years I had never seen my dad. I got a call to go and bury my dad. Mimi nilitolewa kwa children's home niende kwa mazishi. And Your Excellency, one thing I promised myself that day is that, because my big brother Kioko was so bitter because he knew maisha vile imeenda hadi tumeteseka sana pale kwa ghetto and things were not okay. But one thing I told myself, Your Excellency, is that I will take advantage of every opportunity given to me. And mimi nikarudi after mazishi, nikarudi kwa children's home until I cleared my high school. Na after high school, children's home nyingi, Your Excellency, unapatanga unaambiwa sasa utoke nje ukajishughulikie. So I went back to the street. I remember I used to live at Mama Mr. Sid's house at some point. And mimi nikaingia kwa muziki. Your Excellency, wacha nisidanganye, I am not the best vocalist in the country. But in everything I do, I've always made sure in everything that I become the best. As we speak, Your Excellency, I'm Kenya's most followed male artist in Kenya. Also, as you speak, Your Excellency, I am Kenya's second most subscribed male artist on YouTube. And as we speak, Your Excellency, nilijaribu kwa siasa. Nilijaribu. Mi sijui nini iliendelea, ni shetani. Jalasi, usiongee hiyo mambo. Usiongee kabisa. But I believe if you put your mind into something, it can be achieved. Your Excellency, my dream is to take Kenyan film to another level. Again, I will say, I'm not the best TV producer in Kenya. I have people that inspire me, and big shout out to people like Tosh Gitonga. I respect you so much, you know. But Your Excellency, can I tell you something? I'm going to have the best and the biggest TV show in Kenya by tomorrow. Because I am a go-getter. Mimi siaminingi kuambiwa no. I push and push. And even before, because I'm not taking a lot of time, before I invite our guest of honor, I just want to thank you all for always believing in the Bahatis. The fact that we called you in just a day, na mmekuja hapa, that alone means the world to us. This will not have been a success without you. Jipigieni makofi. And I also want to appreciate every celebrity, every public figure, and every friend and family that has supported this show in one way or another. Jalas, thank you for being part of this show. You've made episode 3 special. Thank you. Senator Karen Nyamu, thank you so much. By the way, for the first time in my life, nimeona mheshimiwa akiwa affectionate kwa show hivyo. Karen Nyamu and Samido are starring on our show. Clap for them. Na mimi ningependa tu everyone that was on the show asimame tu at least, kama ulikuwa kwa show as a guest. Nadia, Jalas, I can see Kioko, I can see QP, Mine ulikuwa pregnant. Jackie Matubia, you can just stand. Even Kenodia is on the show. Kenodia is on the show. The Kajim family. Bolo Bespoke is the official nasema stylist of the show. Clap for Bolo Bespoke. Watu ni wengi. Sam K, Sule, Dirango, Arrowboy, Mr. Seed, Nameless and Wahoo. Prezo, where is Prezo? Prezo. Yeah, Prezo. Mnaweza kaa chini. His Excellency. Huyu anajiitanga Prezo. Ilikuwa president. Anajitanga Prezo. Is a legendary musician in Kenya. Come say hi to say hi. Yes. Yeah, Prezo. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Ningependa pia ku appreciate the amazing crew. Guys, I opened officially EMB Entertainment Studios a year ago, and we have been setting up. We don't have a big crew, but we did a big show. The crew that worked on the show, kama ulikuwa part of the show as the crew, please, ningependa ukuje mbele. Ningependa tu ukuje mbele. As if you worked on the show as the crew, editors, it is good to appreciate these people. They worked on it tirelessly. And I took people that have never produced any big show, because I believed in these people and they did the best show that I know. Please. Kuja. Where is Young Wallace? Thank you so much from Kolo, Ken, Ngatia, Vicky, Sound, Marianne. Marianne was there. I think, watu wa makeup wako wapi? Marianne was the only female editor in our team. We had tupigie Marianne nini. Sindo? Yeah? Wallace. Yeah, kuja. Your Excellency, hawa ndio wamefanya hiyo kazi miezi 7. Monique Dida alifanya nywele, naambiwa mimi ni Mkamba niseme ni ama ni hair. And Carol did the makeup. Thank you so much. And Wallace was our DOP. Thank you so much. This is the first time, I've worked with Wallace for 10 years since I was in Mathare. And this was his first time doing a TV show. And what he has done also, it's crazy. Of course, with the help of Kolo and the amazing team. Ngatia was part of the editing. Thank you so much, guys. Tuwapigie makofi. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much. Wafanya ketulia. Unajua tuko mbele. This is a presidential event. Tulia. Thank you so much to that amazing team. And guys, this is worth moving to Netflix. This show is worth making you move to Netflix. So I know the show will be premiering at midnight. Sijui kama kuna kitu tunaweza tuonjeshe show kidogo. Tuonjeshe kidogo. Is the technical ready? Kidogo tu, hata kama ni introduction. Ngoja kidogo. Unaweza iko ready, tuzime mataa kidogo? And as they prepare, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, mimi sitaki kudanganya na sitaki kuongea kizungu mingi. Mdosi, ile heshima umeonyesha Kenyan industry, Kenyan entertainment industry, Kenyan film industry, ni heshima kubwa sana. Guys, I don't want to lie to you. Niseme ukweli. We gave the Deputy President his invite yesterday evening. Jana usiku. And he understood the vision of the Kenyan creatives. Na akasema nyewe hii ni last minute. And his office, I have never seen the office of the Deputy President even work like that. Hii ni heshima kubwa. We don't take it for granted. You know? Makofi kubwa kwa Deputy President. We don't take your presence for granted. Just coming to embrace this, endorse this, is a dream come true for the Bahatis and the Kenyan entertainment industry. And Your Excellency, mimi kama mimi, wacha niongee mimi kama mimi, Your Excellency, unajua, wacha nitoboe kitu. Your Excellency, bibi yangu alinikasirikia sana. Sana, hiyo ni kitu hajaisema kwa TV ama anywhere. Ile siku niliamka nikamwambia alikuwa ananiona nashinda Karen. Alafu nimeamka namwambia sasa nasimama Mathare, lakini nasimama na ipande nyingine. My wife here, we went to vote with her in Mathare. Akaniambia mimi babe, mimi napigia William Samoei Ruto. Na mimi nimesimama na Azimio, Your Excellency.
Had a family.
Your Excellency, baada ya hapo
Sasa
kudanganya
nilipotea miezi 2 sababu ya depression. Unajua sikuwa nimezoea kuanguka. Nimezoea nafanya group awards na shinda watu. Sasa hii Your Excellency nikapatana na watu wenye sijazoeana nao. Bwana campaign naingia natolewa mbio, Your Excellency. And I want to thank you for embracing me back, even though I was on the other side.
Your Excellency, mimi na hizo wimbo zangu zenye Jalasa anasema popote unaenda ndakuanga nasimama hapo naimba, Your Excellency. Anytime, and as creative industry, we will stand with you and we will walk with you, because today umetuheshimisha. Asante sana. Tupigie the Deputy President makofi. You ready? Tunaweza dim mataa kidogo ama protocol inaturuhusu? Hii taa hii iache kumulika screen ndio watu waone quality. Iko sawa? Sound check.